If you know the MERN Stack, MongoDB, Express.js, React, and Node.js, there are many ways to make money in 2025. The first and easiest way is freelancing on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer, where you can offer services such as full stack development, API integration, and bug fixing. Next, you can build and sell SaaS software as a service, applications using tools like Next.js, Stripe, and Firebase. Creating a web-based tool, such as a task manager or AI-powered app, and monetizing it with subscriptions can generate passive income. Another profitable option is selling templates and themes on platforms like ThemeForest, Code Canyon, and Gumroad. Many businesses need pre-built React dashboards, landing pages, and e-commerce templates, which can be a great source of revenue. If you enjoy teaching, you can start a YouTube channel or create courses for Udemy, Gumroad, or teach how to earn money through ads, sponsorships, and course sales. Finally, if you prefer stable income, you can apply for remote jobs on platforms like LinkedIn, RemoteOK, and We Work Remotely. Many companies are looking for skilled MERN developers, and having a strong GitHub portfolio can help you land high-paying roles. Whether freelancing, building SaaS, selling templates, teaching, or working remotely, MERN Stack Development offers multiple ways to make money in 2025. Start today and turn your skills into cash.